Assalamualaikum and hi. Here I am Ahmad Firdaus bin Ahmad ZULKHAIRI, holding the matriculation number A20A1240. Today I would like to present my experiences during the final session of my industrial training. Firstly, I commenced my bachelor degree in entrepreneurship commerce with honor industrial training at NSE Property Sendirian Berhad, a construction company, on March 17, 2024, which is scheduled to conclude on July 4th, 2024. The industry training has been an invaluable opportunity for me to apply the knowledge acquired in university to real working environment. Over the course of 14 weeks at this company, I was given the chance to be directly involved in executing and challenging construction projects. The purpose of this presentation is to share the experience, knowledge, and skills I have gained, as well as the challenge I face and how I overcome them. I will also discuss my contribution and suggestion to the company and how this training has contributed to my professional development. NSE Property Sendirian Berhad is a construction company operating within the construction industry. The industry is one of the key contributors to the nation's economic development, aligned with the government goals of transforming Malaysia into a developed country. Its contribution approximately 4% to the gross domestic product GDP, and 1.25 million workers in the country are employed in the construction industry. In 2016, the value of construction projects in Malaysia amounted to RM 125 billion, with approximately 23% of these being government projects and the remainder being private sector's projects. In the same year, there were 70,000 contractors registered with the Construction Industry Development Board (CIDB) across various grades, with 51% of these companies being Bumiputra World. NSE Property Sendirian Berhad, formerly known as NSE Furniture Sendirian Berhad, is a 100% Bumiputra owned company, established on November 9, 1995. The company's office is located on Jalan Hiliran, Kuala Terengganu. It operated as a construction contractor registered with the Contractor Service Centre and the Construction Industry Development Board (CIDB) in the G6 category. Additionally, it is registered with the Ministry of Finance in the field of supply and service. The company is also involved in manufacturing wood-based products such as door frame, window frame, door lift, window lift, and more. And SE Property Sendirian Berhad is a progressive company, confident in its ability to enhance its performance towards becoming a capable construction company, proficient in successful executing projects. The company is fully managed by its board of directors and staffed by qualified and experienced personnel. Next, NSE Property Sendirian Berhad has been actively involved and possesses extensive experience in construction industry, successfully completing various general contracts. There are some of main activities in company, like building construction, infrastructure construction such as roads, drainage system, bridge and marine jetties, maintenance work, earthwork, landscaping, housing and property development, work-based work such as door frame, window frame, door and more, interior decoration, waterproofing work, welding and NDT inspection. Our experience and expertise in various aspects of construction ensure that every project is executed with the highest standards of quality and professionalism. Next, Vision and Mission Company. Vision and SE is to strengthening the company from year to year to achieve and improve performance and fulfill customer needs. Mission of the company is first, create thoughtful, quality and effective ideas for successful implement and complete a project. Second is ensure that construction is carried out by skilled personnel for ensuring the best service is provided to customer. Ensure that construction is done according to specification and duration set time. Next is organization chart. The following is the organization chart of NSE Property Sdn Bhd. As we see in this company, there are several parts of the task in the implementation of this business and the several role of each task specifics. Firstly is Managing Director. Managing Director is a professional responsible for the successful leadership and management of company's business. Managing Director supervise and steer all company's operation, people and ventures in order to maintain and grow business. Second is Finance and Administrative Manager. It was established effective accounting and bookkeeping system and procedures and oversees accounting service. Next, Project Coordinator. Project Coordinator go by a few different titles such as a Lead Project Coordinator, Project Management Coordinator or Assistant Project Manager. There are also industry-specific job titles like Construction Project Coordinators. They are needed in large projects in many industries such as construction, information technology, and healthcare. Next is Account Clerk. An accounting clerk is a professional responsible for maintaining financial record, running report, and recording various transactions. Next is Project Manager. Project Manager do project planning by developing details project plans including timelines, milestones and resources allocation. Next is Project Engineer. Project Engineer oversees a project technical aspects, ensuring that all engineering related tasks align with project goals, standard and requirement. Next is Quantity Surveyor. Quantity Surveyor, also known as a cost consultant, commercial manager, cost manager or cost engineer, plays a vital role in managing costs on construction project. Project Supervisor. Project Supervisor are responsible for planning and executing projects. They ensure that projects stay on track, meet deadlines and achieve their objective. Next is Site Supervisor. Site Supervisor, construction site supervisor, coordinates and oversee the work of staff and subcontractors on building sites. Next is Scope of exposure to student. Industrial training give me exposure to the real work environment in the business field as a contractor. The scope of occupational exposure that has been studied includes project management. A student can understand how construction projects are managed, including planning, implementation and supervision. Cost calculation. Student will be involved in calculating the cost of material, labor and equipment for construction project. Site supervision. Students are able to understand the process of site supervision, including monitoring work progress, work quality and safety. Next, the achievement obtained while undergoing industrial training is that I got involved with the safety and health induction course for construction worker SICW and got a certificate of the participant and obtained a green card recognized by CIDB as a protection card for construction site worker. Second, I has completed the competency assessment and fulfill the competency standard in building decorative painter level 1 at Akademi Binaan Malaysia ABM Jenagor, Kuala Berang. Last is I have registered my own company with the Malaysian Companies Commission SSM, with the company name is being NOOR Smart Enterprise. We are provide some suggestion for construction companies in today's era. There are several suggestions for improvement that can be taken into account to increase operational efficiency and effectiveness. Firstly is use of information technology. Adopt advanced construction management software such as a building information modeling BIM to improve project planning and management so that it is more quality and productive. Second is decision management and workflow. By improving the flow of decision making and work management to reduce unproductive activities so that there is not waste. Next is staff training. Listen to feedback from staff and provide appropriate training to improve the skills and efficiency to staff so that work move faster and with better quality. By implementing this recommendation, construction companies can increase productivity, reduce costs, and ensure their projects are more sustainable and safer. Next is a challenge. Students undertaking industrial training in construction companies often face a number of key challenges, including first, knowledge application. Applying theoretical knowledge learned at university into real work situation can be difficult. This requires a deep understanding of construction principles and the ability to adapt quickly. Second is technical skills. Students need to master the technical skill required on construction sites, which may not be fully covered in their academic course. Next is work ethic. Understanding and practicing good work ethic is important, especially when facing the pressure and responsibility of real work. Next is communication. Communication effectively with various parties on a construction site, including engineer, workers and management, is critical to project success. Next is time management. Managing time efficiency between university duties and work responsibilities is a challenge that needs to be overcome. Next is industry training at a construction company provides various added value that can improve my knowledge and skills, among which are first, practical experience. Students get the opportunity to be involved in real construction project, understand the process from planning to implementation, and experience the challenge faced in the industry. Second is understanding of the construction process. Students can learn the construction process as a whole, including foundation work, structural finishing and maintenance. And next is exposure to latest technology. Students can recognize and use the latest technologies and equipment in the construction industry, which can improve the efficiency and quality of work. Next is project management. Students can learn the basic of project management, including time, resources, and cost management, as well as coordination between the various parties involved in the project. I gain exposure to various disciplines in construction, including civil engineering, architects, and construction management, which help them understand how all these disciplines interact. With all this added value, in industrial training in a construction company not only strengthens student academic knowledge but also provides them with practical skills and valuable experience for their future careers in the construction industry. That's all from me. Thank you.